Hello, my name is Marina, and I will be your instructor for the course High Performing Happy Teams. Welcome to the course High Performing Happy Team. I am so glad to have you here, and I can really tell you care about your team's happiness and performance because you're here, right? This course I designed because I deeply care about teams. I have been building teams for over 15 years in my career in tech, and I thought I would share the secrets and the traits of how to create high-performing happy teams with you all. We're going to have a lot of fun throughout this course. I'm going to show you some lectures about and tools that you can use to evaluate and grow your teams into high performing and happy. I'm going to also show you some examples, real-world examples of tools that I and other leaders across the organizations that I've worked with have used in order to manage and lead their team. And because virtual and remote work, it is so important today, I wanted to make sure that I spent a whole section talking about the challenges, the benefits, and how to make virtual teams and working and remote working teams work. So welcome to High Performing Happy and Happy Teams. I hope you learn a lot. And if you really enjoy this course, please don't forget to leave me a rating so that I can promote this course for more people and or edit it and or add things that you may need in the future. So any feedback is welcome, and thank you so much for being here.